Defense Research and Development Organization. Defense Research and Development Organization. The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) is an agency of the Government of India charged with the military research and development headquartered in Delhi, India. DRDO, with a network of 52 laboratories which are engaged in developing different technologies like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, material missile. DRDO is about 25,000 other scientific, technicals and supporting personnel. Formed 1958, headquarters DRDO Bhavan, New Delhi. Motto: Strength Origin is in Science. Employees 30,000. Budget US currency 2.1 billion. Minister Rajnath Singh. Responsible Minister of Defense. History. The DRDO was established in 1958. Dynamics, the Defense Science Organization, and some of the technical development stuff. The DRDO was formed in 1980. Later on, administrated DRDO and its 50 laboratory establishment. DRDO started its first major project in surface-to-air missile known as Project Indigo in 1960s. Indigo led to Project Devlin. In 2010, Defense Minister A.K. Antony ordered the restitution of the DRDO to give a major boost to the defense research in the country. Aeronautics. The LCA is initiated to provide the Indian Air Force with a modern fly-by-wire multi-role fighters as well as develop the aviation industry. In system development by DRDO include radar wiring receivers, radar and display computers. DRDO's radar computer manufactured by HAL are also being fitted into Malaysia Su-30S Avitra spacecraft. Other Hindustan Aeronautics Program. Apart from the aforementioned upgraded, DRDO has also assisted Hindustan Aeronautics with its programs. This includes the HAL Dhruv helicopter and the HAL HJT-36. Over 100 LRU in the HJT-36 have come directly from the LCA program. This includes both monetary as well as other items. Unmanned air vehicle. The DRDO has also developed two unmanned air vehicles, the Nishan Technical UAV and the Lakshya Pilotless Target Aircraft (PTA). Efforts are on the develop the PTA feature with an improved all-digital flight control system and a better turbojet engine. The HAL UAV will have features such as SATCOM links, allowing it to be commanded beyond line of sight. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.